Hi class, today we are going to play a mystery 3D shape game. So here at the bottom I have 3D shapes and I'm going to give you some clues to help you figure out which shape I'm thinking of. Before we start, I have a little 3D shape poem. It's called 3D Shapes. 3D shapes are fat, not flat. A cone is like a party hat. A sphere is like a bouncing ball. A prism is like a building standing tall. A cylinder is like a can of pop. A cube is like dice you drop. 3D shapes are here and there. 3D shapes are everywhere. So, here I'm going to give you 2 clues and you have to figure out the 3D shape I'm thinking of. So here we go. This shape has a vertex. Remember, a vertex is a point. It also has a circle face. What 3D shape am I thinking of? It has a vertex, which is a point, and a circle face. Dun da da da! I'm thinking of a cone. A cone has a vertex. This is a vertex, the point at the top, and it has a circle face at the bottom. All right, let's move on. Next clue. This shape has 4 vertices, which means 4 points, and has 4 triangle faces. 4 vertices, which means 4 points, and 4 triangle faces. What 3D shape am I thinking of? Dun da da da! A pyramid. It has let's see if I can try to count. It has 1 vertice here, and then in the back you can see 2, 3, 4, and has 4 triangle faces. All right, next shape. Here we go. Here are your clues. This shape has 2 circle faces and can roll. 2 circle faces and can roll. What 3D shape am I thinking of? Dun, da, da, da. A cylinder. Yes, a cylinder has 2 circle faces, one at the top and one at the bottom, and it can roll. Here we go. Next. This shape has 8 vertices. Remember, 8 points. It has 6 square faces. 8 vertices, which means 8 points, and 6 square faces. Yes, this 3D shape is a cube, right? It has 8 vertices. Remember, those are the points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Way in the back, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and it has 6 square faces. 1, 2. It's hard for me to click it, but if you count the faces of the squares, there are 6. Because if I tap the shape, it starts to do things. All right. And there's one shape that I didn't name. Do you know the shape that I didn't call? Yes, rectangular prism. So how could I describe this? What could we say? What could we say about the rectangular prism? It has 6 faces, right? Sometimes it can have all rectangle faces, and sometimes it can have 4 rectangle faces and 2 square faces. So in this one, this rectangular prism, it has 2 square faces. This is a square face here, and this is a square face here. But these are rectangular faces. 1, 2, 3, and in the back will be 4. So sometimes rectangular pyramids look different. It could have all rectangle faces, or it can have 4 rectangle faces and 2 square faces, right? And what else could we say, right? The rectangle faces are long and the square faces are short. It has 8 vertices, which are points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the back, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so that was Mystery 3D Shape Game. And we describe the shapes based on their faces and their vertices and their edges.